Hello everyone, welcome to Static GK quiz number 278. This video is aimed to help you with your state and central government exams like SSC, UPSC, state PSCs, and banking and insurance related examinations like RRB, IBPS, etc. I'm Trisha from GKToday and I'll be taking you through this. High-powered committee under the chairmanship of Dr. Mehta, which was constituted in 1993, was related to which of the following? So the Dr. Mehta committee was related to Integrated Rural Development Program. So now what is the Integrated Rural Development Program? So Integrated Rural Development Program or IRDP was launched by the Government of India during 1978 and implemented in 2 years from then in 1980. The aim was to provide employment opportunities to the poor as well as opportunities to develop their skill sets so as to improve their living conditions. Who among the following headed the National Committee for Promotion of Social and Economic Welfare? Correct answer is Justice P.N. Bhagwati. Prafulla Chandra Natwarlal Bhagwati was the 17th Chief Justice of India, serving from 12 July 1985 until his retirement on 20th December 1986. He introduced the concepts of public interest litigation and absolute liability in India, and for this reason is held along with Justice V.R. as a pioneer in this field. Which among the following is related to land development? Correct answer is SARDB. So what does SARDB stand for? It stands for State Cooperative Agriculture and Rural Development Banks. It is a sector scheme of India which aims at raising resources of state land development banks for long-term lending to cultivators by the way of flotation of debentures in vital areas such as minor irrigation, farm mechanization, land development, horticulture, etc. Which among the following is not correctly matched? So option A, National Institute of Animal Genetics, is actually in Karnal. Added Forest Research Institute, which is option B, is also in Jodhpur. Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research is in Lucknow. However, Central Duck Breeding Farm is not in Patiala, but it's in Bangalore. So this is the option not correctly matched. Which among the following is a multinational trade negotiation body? So this is pretty easy. It's WTO or World Trade Organization, which is an intergovernmental organization that is concerned with the regulation of international trade between nations. That committee was related to which of the following? Correct answer is industrial licensing. So that committee or Industrial Licensing Policy Inquiry Committee was set up under the chairmanship of Mr. Subimal Dutt as a follow-up to reports of Monopolies Inquiry Commission and Hazari Committee. This committee's mandate was to inquire into the working of licensing system in India. The committee had submitted its report in July of 1969. Hang Seng is share market index at which of the following? Correct answer is Hong Kong. So the Hang Seng index is a free float adjusted market capitalization weighted stock market index in Hong Kong. Which among the following is often called Year of the Great Divide? Correct answer is 1921. Now this is referred to as the Year of the Great Divide because from 1921 onwards, India's population started rising steadily. The average annual growth rate of population during this 30 years period increased to 1.22%. In absolute number, population of India increased by 10.96 crores during this period. Which among the following provides the centripetal force to an electron circulating around the nucleus? Correct answer is electrostatic force of attraction. The centripetal force required for the motion of the electron is provided by the electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged electrons and protons. So electrons are negatively charged whereas protons are positively charged. And as we all know, positive and negative charges attract each other. As a result, this force is created. In fact, centripetal force is also the force which makes a satellite revolve around the sun revolve around the earth in a circular motion, or any satellite around any planet for that matter. On which of the following the jet engine works? Correct answer is conservation of linear momentum. So conservation of linear momentum law says that if no external force acts on a system, then its total linear momentum remains conserved. So rockets work on law of conservation of momentum. So a rocket engine also works on the conservation of law of conservation of momentum. And as momentum in one direction is given to the rocket's exhaust gases, momentum in the other direction is given to the rocket itself. That's all for today's quiz. Until the next video, goodbye.